Let's talk about using the modal verbs can and could. In this lecture, we will discuss the grammatical structure of sentence when we use modal verbs can and could. We all know how important it is to be able to express in English the ability or possibility to do something. So, can and could are modal auxiliary verbs that express an ability, permission, request, offer, and opportunity. First, look at the structure of sentences having can and could. Can should always be used for present form. For example, he can drive, where drive is present form and can has been used for ability. Another example, he can catch the ball. Here, can shows the possibility of catching the ball, and with it, it has present form of the verb catch. So, it has been clear that there will be present form of the verb with modal can in a sentence always. Now, look at the sentence structure of could. The verb could is primarily the past tense form of the verb can. Secondly, it is used both in the present as well as in the past, but the situation and context differs. In present, we use could for polite request. For example, could I have some tea? It is a polite and formal request. We can use can, but to make it formal, we should use could. Another example, could I borrow your pen? Here again, could has been used for formal request. Now, if we closely look at the above both examples, we have first form of the verb. For example, have and borrow. So, we used could in the present tense to make a polite request. Now, how we use could for past ability or capability of doing something. First, can is used in present when you want to say you could do something in the past but probably no longer can do it. We use the word could. For example, Shoaib could run very fast when he was young. Here, time period is in the past. Now he is a bit older guy. Another example, in my younger days, I could swim across the river. Here again, could swim is the indication of past possibility. Let's have a close look at the sentences. We are having one part in a sentence which refers the past days. Like in sentence number 1, when he was young. And in sentence number 2, my younger days. Now, what will be the structure when we use could for past possibility that couldn't happen? Here, the time will be completely in the past, something that could happen but didn't. We use could. For example, you could have completed the homework last night. It means that it was possible in the past, but you chose not to do it. The sentence structure is a little different. Here we have could have with third form of verb or the past participle. So, something that was possible in the past but couldn't happen or you choose not to do. For example, you could have completed the homework. So, it was a past possibility that didn't happen. Now, take another example. He could have won the match if he had controlled the attack. Here again, we have a condition if he had controlled the attack. It means he didn't control the attack, so he lost the match. So, if he could have won the match if this has happened. For example, if he had controlled the attack. So here we have past participle of verb won. In this lecture it is enough. In the next video, I have discussed the detailed uses of modals can and could. Link has been given in the description. If you like the video, please share it with your nears and dears. Thank you so much.